Look at our two babies side by side. Mama's still the biggest for now. Waiting for my husband to come outside to switch out my grill inserts. We're gonna put in the Halloween one and take out my Raging Cajun one. And then once he's done doing that, I'm gonna put my bat on the front. Mr. Cajun House right there. He was watching TV. I was like, come on, let's get this done with. He's like, no. I was like, I'm gonna go do it myself. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know how to open the hood. I shouldn't have said that. Shouldn't have said that in front of all y'all. So this is what he's doing now. He's got this tool that he got from Amazon, and he's just popping these little pegs out. And we bought a bunch of extra ones because they break very easily. So I think there's what, about 5 or 6 of these?
6.
6. Stepping all over this bat. So the first time you do this and you take, the first time you do this, you're going to take the grill out that comes with your Jeep. There's a lot of unscrewing that you have to do. And then when you change your inserts out, it's super easy once you get these off. So this right here would have had the grill that you have to unscrew and get it out before you put this one in. So you just open this up and you pull it out. So it's Raging Cajuns on that side. These are from Dirty Acres. I'll tag them in my video. And then the other side is crawfish. How adorable is that? She does all these gorgeous custom grill inserts. This one right here is my Halloween one. And then on the back is Captain America. So here you go. And go ahead and just slip that in right here. And that's it. Super easy. And you go, once you're done doing that, he's gonna put all the pegs back in and we're done. Look how awesome that looks. Are you gonna get some grill inserts for your Gladiator?
No.
No, why not?
I'm gonna put a camera on.
Are you gonna put a camera? Super simple. And I'm pretty sure there's a YouTube video, actually there is because we followed it, on how to take the grill out when you first do it. Oh, I'll show you his. This is what it looks like. Just like that. So this is all the part that we took out. I took all of those out and then installed that one. And I live in Texas and I've never had an issue with overheating with any of my grill inserts from Dirty Acres. They do such great work. And that's it, guys. He's gonna close this up. I'm gonna put the bat on the front and I'll be right back. Before I get to the bat, this is the tool set that he bought off of Amazon and I'll link it down below. He's messing around with something. I'm gonna show y'all what I did to the back of the Jeep. I have one more to add at the bottom of the wheel. So there'll be 3 skeletons and some Toy Story characters when I'm done. She looks pretty awesome on there. Love it.